Just any plate. I already told you I don't eat those.
You keep asking what plate. Keep telling me.
Is that your mom and dad?
Yes.
Well, she's still beautiful, but she's clearly beautiful that too.
So woke up to my car not starting. I think it's because it's negative 12 degrees outside. And then I had to, that was loud. And then I had to call Veronica to come down really quick. Oh shoot, chicka what? Okay, so called Veronica to come down. She had to help me take the kids to school in her car. And then I was like, oh shoot, I'm gonna miss jujitsu, and then I have to be SLP, and then I have to be Santa for my old school. I'm gonna miss all this stuff. Anyways, so it's called the mechanic. Guy came like in 10 minutes. So these two dudes, practically every single night or evening, run around our apartment, whether it be super hot or super cold. That's discipline right there, man. Discipline. It is Christmas. Merry Christmas in 3 days. So, boys and girls, we are going to our art academy. Gabrielle had a Christmas party at her Yuchiwan, and Daniel just bought some candy from the mart.
가비야, 그리고 우리 이거 나무 이거.
Thank you. 네모 어떻게 만들지? 아, 나 알아.
불려서
저 네모 잘 만들어요. 예전에 배웠어요. 주세요. 네. 봐봐.
우리 젓가락 이거
영민아
세트로
봐봐.
해서.
네.
닌텐도. 닌텐도? 너? 마리오 파티, 마리오 카트, 스포츠.
예린아, 너 뭐 닦아야 돼?
그럼 별에 컵이 있냐?
Nice work, bro. Nice work. Merry Christmas from Gyopo Dad and the family. So this Christmas Eve, as you might have seen on my Instagram stories, Daniel has the flu, type A flu, 40-degree temperature, which translates well over 100 in Fahrenheit. And Gabrielle, for the last week, has had a really bad cough. It comes on mostly at night. I thought it was like a nasal drip, so I would prop her up and then on pillows or give her a humidifier, and still wasn't doing anything. So she's been coughing up along this whole week. But of course, I spent all day with him, and I woke up at 5 a.m. to see if I could find Santa, and I felt body aches and a bad cough. So I think I have the flu too now. Mommy,
Daddy,
yeah.
Did you see Santa?
Well, I was looking for him, but he's very good. He's like a ninja. So unfortunately, I didn't see Santa, but he did come because he put all the stuff in the stockings.
And
So
the Christmas tree.
and the Christmas tree. So Mommy and Gabrielle are coming right now. We're gonna wear masks. All of us are gonna wear masks because Mommy, luckily, knock on wood, is not sick. But I don't want Gabrielle to get what Daniel has or what I have, because it's probably an evolved version of the flu, whatever he had. And then yeah, so that's our Christmas. They're gonna come over, we're gonna open presents, and then they're gonna leave right away to her brother's to spend Christmas Day with them.
How about sewings?
Yeah, sewing is gonna be there too. And then Daniel and I are just gonna have Christmas Day together. It is a white Christmas. This is the first time, I would say, in 13 years I've been in Korea that's actually snowed on Christmas. I'm actually very stoked about it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Fall, 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 fall! Chee chee bang bang baby baby boo giggity giggity giggity.
고객님 안녕하십니까? 편리하고 안전한
Are you guys cleaning up your room?
No.
Okay, well at least you're honest. So Kun Kun got these awesome Fila Pokemon collab shoes for Christmas. Super dope. Daniel got Charizard. And I don't know what Gabrielle's Pokemon is. Who?
Limpia.
Who? Nympia? Or Mim? Okay, good job. We are going to Costco. Go, 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 go! She's copying her brother. You guys are so silly. One, two, three. You have to take you out. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
I see your 코딱지.
Just got done at Costco. Got more than I'm sure we needed.
Love you. I love you, Grandpa. I love you, Grandpa. I love you, Auntie Flay. I love you, Uncle Jonah. I love you, Uncle Eloy.
Okay. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you just... If you hadn't already... If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's family fun video, hit that like button. And remember everyone, you guys are doing your best.